student, question number A is actually MCQ question. In these questions, as you all know, you have to choose the most appropriate options from the students. The first question is, why was Ankush upset at the beginning of the story? In the story, students, you saw that Ankush, the protagonist of our story, was actually very upset in the beginning of the story, and while reading through the story you got to know that he was ultimately leaving his parents behind. His parents was actually leaving him alone in the train, and that was the main reason why he was upset. So the options given here for this question is actually, in A, he was hungry. That's not the correct answer. Then B, he did not like the toy that his father bought for him. That's not true. His father actually bought him many toys. In the way also you saw that his father actually ultimately bought him a cricket bat also. And then actually the option number C is, his father did not buy him a toy. That is again a wrong option. So actually, student, the correct option is option D. He was leaving his parents behind, and that was the main reason why Ankush was actually upset at the beginning of this story. So you all will write D. And student, yesterday the question that I gave you of writing section, you have to do in your copies, respectively. Actually, the question I gave you about a story writing, I gave you the beginning, and based on that beginning you had to complete this story. You had to prepare a plot, and then you have to complete the story. So you have to note down, you have to do that in your homework copy. All those things will be checked once the school opens. Now the student, question number 2 is actually, why did Ankush's father want to buy him a toy? And the options are: A, to make Ankush feel better. B, Ankush always liked cricket. C, he wanted to make Ankush play cricket. D, the toy seller forced him to. So the answer students of this question is very obvious. It's actually A, to make Ankush feel better.